EU3000is kit. Sorry if this video is a little raw. I'm burning out. Daylight's burning out at the moment, so I might just take a quick video. This is just a battery jump. Battery's dead in this thing, so just don't mind me. Two heaters. Both those are 1500 watt heaters each, so two of those heaters about 3000 watts, and I believe the running rod on the EU3000is 2627, surge is 3000, so we're just gonna go a little over that. This is a no drill kit, meaning there's no mounting brackets or any holes that needs to be drilled in this generator. It's just this lower panel here. This is just a mock-up. The finished panel is going to be powder coated in black. So the panel replaces the stock panel. It has the provision for the quick connect. So it makes it look a lot nicer and cleaner that way. And also, mounts just right there right in front of the panel. It's a lot cleaner. I'm going to demonstrate turning on two 15-watt heaters, 3000 watts total, to show you guys that there is no loss of power when running on propane. So I'm going to make sure the econo mode's off. So turn on the first one. Generator's still chugging along. Light coming on. Here's the 1500 watt. Over low light. Still running very strong. Two heaters going. Back on eco mode. Very, very smooth. Very quiet. Turn this off. I'm going to show you the inside of how the fuel adapter mounts. It's starting to rain here, excuse me. Here. I'll make this video real quick. But here's a fuel adapter, and it mounts. So this hose is already going through this panel here, and the hole is pre-existing, so it just goes right in between this wiring loom over here. So there's no holes drilled anywhere. It's just using existing mounting points and existing cavity. The hose comes along here, sits right in the side of the inverter right here, and there's enough space for the hose to squeeze through to have everything mounted in front, which is really nice. And to change out the natural to natural gas, you just pop this hose loose. Like so. Go in there with an Allen key, take out the propane orifice, and there is no natural gas orifice. This just runs right open in here, so you just take out the natural gas. Take out the propane orifice, put the hose back, and you're set to go. I do have an extended hose kit and a bracket that hangs off the front right here. I'll show you in part 2 of this video, or the next video. This is kind of a rough video. I should make a formal video. But it mounts up here with a 10-foot hose to a propane tank or your natural gas source. And it's gonna look real nice. So this kit runs right out of the box. You don't need to adjust any fuel or anything like that. It's just already preset. Super clean. Apologize for this video. This is a rough video, I know. It's just I figured I'd quick take a video for you guys. I do have in the video description the link for this kit. It's ready for purchase. I know I apologize for those who are looking for this kit. It's taking me a while. I've also had to adapt this fuel adapter amongst other kits because there's other generators that use the same fuel adapter and so forth. So I had to kind of make it work with other generators as well. So what's going to be released next is one for the Predator 3500, Champion generator, Westinghouse, and so forth. So, but it's starting to rain. I gotta wrap it up. But if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.